Good morning, friends. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Big Hives. And here I'm going to teach you phrasal verbs. I think you have known about main verbs, but here the different concept is of phrasal verbs. So, what is the connection between main verbs and phrasal verbs? Let's see in detail. Main verbs, main verbs is called doing an action on all the activities. Example: main verbs can be used in the second word of the sentence, most probably, and also in the middle of the sentences. The main verb is different from the phrasal verbs because main verb has only one words most of the times, but in the phrasal verbs has two words or more than three words sometimes. So I think it is very important also to know about the structure of the phrasal verbs. So let's see one by one. And phrasal verb is nothing but this is a combination of main verb and preposition. So I think when you find a combination of a main verb and preposition, that is called phrasal verbs. But the phrasal verb meaning is entirely different from its words. So I think it is not easy one to know about the phrasal verbs, but you have to give some important concepts and also learn a lot of phrasal verbs and memorize it, and try to use in your day-to-day speaking activities. So let's see one by one. First, phrasal verb meaning and example of use. So let's see all the phrasal verbs beginning with the look one by one and know about its meaning. Number one, look after, take care of. A babysitter looks after the children. Look ahead, think of the future. It is time to forget the past and look ahead. Look at, study attentively. We are going to look at all the options. Look at this unusual picture. Look away, turn your get away. The scene was so bad that I looked away. Look back on, remember the past. Older people look back on the old days. Look down on, consider us inferior. He looks down on anyone who is not successful. Look for, try to find something. Jan went something to look for a handbag. Look forward to, await with pleasure. I look forward to seeing you soon. Look in, visit for a some time. She promised to her mother that she would look in on the way home. Look into, examine, investigate. I will look into the matter and call you back. Look on, be a spectator. Billy didn't participate, he just looked on. Look out, be careful and watch out. Look out, there is a car coming. Look over, examine or review. I would like to look over the article again. Look through, examine quickly. I will look through my messages to see if I can find yours. Look up to, admire. He was a wonderful teacher. All his students looked up to him. So these are the phrasal verbs beginning with the look. But the main concept is when you use the word look alone or after alone, the meaning will be different. But when you combine both the words together, there will be a different meaning. So there is only one way to be thorough with the phrase. These kind of phrasal verbs you have to use repeatedly in your sentences and also store in your mind a lot of phrasal verbs. There are more than 200 phrasal verbs available in English, but you go and look up the important phrasal verbs in the dictionary and learn all types of important phrasal verbs in your mind and also use it when it is needed for you. So thank you, friends. I hope you have understood what is the difference between main verb and phrasal verbs, and learn lot of phrasal verbs and try to be master in phrasal verbs. Thank you.